For the garbage disposal, this is one of the most common things we get asked about when tenants move in. Best thing to do is if it's not working, make sure you look inside to see if there's anything jammed in there. Sometimes it'll be a fork or a bottle cap. Very carefully turn the power off and then try to remove those items if there is anything in there. If that doesn't do it, there's a reset button on the bottom of the disposal. Open up the cabinet under your sink, look to the bottom of the disposal motor, and there's a labeled reset button. Try hitting that. If that doesn't work, then there's an Allen key that you can put into the bottom and you can try to get it loose. If you've tried all those steps unsuccessfully, let Arborview's maintenance staff know and we will send somebody over to look into it. If you're having a problem with your power, such as your lights go out, first thing you should do is check with your neighbors in the building to see if the electricity might be out to the whole building. If that's the case, the second thing you should do is walk outside and look around the neighborhood. For instance, the whole street might lose power when NSTAR is doing repairs. That's the most common issue we experience. If that's not the case, you can go and look for your electric box, your circuit breakers. They're either going to be in the unit if it's a new renovation or in the basement if it's an older renovation. Check the circuit breakers to see if they're in the on position. If they're tripped, they'll be in the middle. You'll need to push them all the way to the off position and then back to the on position. Once you've tried that and it hasn't worked, let Arborview know and we will look into it. If any of the light bulbs burn out in your apartment, you are responsible for purchasing and changing them. If you're unable or don't want to, Arborview is able to change them for you, but there will be a small fee. Any of the lights in the common hallways, such as the basement or the entry foyer, if those burn out, Arborview will replace them. Please let us know so we can send somebody over to attend to that issue. Smoke detectors are provided in the unit and common hallways. It's very important that they're not tampered with. Should the smoke detector go off while you're cooking, you can push the button on the bottom to silence it. Please open your windows and your doors to clear the smoke out. Never disconnect the smoke detector or remove the batteries. If you smell gas in the apartment, please immediately open the windows, check that the gas is turned off, call the gas company, and leave the apartment.